Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Shumaila, if my students watch this video very carefully, it will increase their one band in Ielts listening.
Inshallah.
From half band to one band in Ielts listening.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, now Asad, tell us about how to fill answer sheet of IELTS listening.
Okay, I'll tell you how to fill the answer sheet of IELTS listening. And by the way, sometimes the careless mistakes that the students do to transfer the answers from the question booklet to answer sheet, these mistakes cost them half band to one band. Right? I mean the damage of half band to one band, and this is the half band that they need the most. Because they need 6 band in listening, and because of these careless mistakes, I call them the chavals they do in their list. Yeah, I will call them the chavals. Yeah, forget it if they get angry, I don't care. Yeah, so because
So
of
rude.
I am rude because they will understand it now. Because of these small chavals or 2-3 chavals, they get the low band score. Chaval means the mistake here. Okay, it's not the chaval like you are chaval and he is chaval, not like that one. Okay, so now listen very carefully. They give you 10 minutes to transfer the answers to the answer sheet, right? 10-minute time is more than enough. If you write like this, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. If you write like this, 10-minute time is more than enough. And what do the students do? They complete or they transfer their answers to the answer sheet in 2-3 minutes. And then they're looking around here and they're like owls. There is a nice piece over there. You know piece? Piece of cake, yeah, or biscuit or anything like that. Curry. Yeah, curry, not cookery, curry. They say a nice piece over there. ਇਹਨੇ ਤੇ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਟੂਰੀ ਜਾਣਾ ਹੈ ਜਿੰਨੀ ਕਿ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਹੈ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਅਗਲੇ ਨੇ ਵੇਖ ਕੇ ਹੀ ਵੀਜ਼ਾ ਦੇ ਦੇਣਾ ਹੈ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਨਾ ਕਦੀ ਕਦੀ ਲੇਕਿਨ ਪਿੰਕੀ ਨੂੰ ਵੀਜ਼ਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਸੀ ਪਿੰਕੀ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਵੀ ਹੈ ਪਰ ਵੀਜ਼ਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਵਿਚਾਰੀ ਓਕੇ ਲਿਸਨ ਅਪ The first thing is you have 10 minutes to transfer the answers to the answer sheet, and you cannot use this time elsewhere. I mean you only have to fill the answer sheet. You cannot use this time anywhere. If you finish it in 2 minutes or 10 minutes, other 8 minutes you will be just sitting there like this, right? And you don't have the mobile, you can't take the selfie from IELTS examination room with the examiner, okay? Something like that. You can't do it. You can't do it. So the first thing is calm down, relax. Tip number 1 on IELTS listening answer sheet, use 100% capital letters. Yes, use 100% capital letters. Why? When you write capital letters, your O doesn't look like A, your E doesn't look like C, right? So these mistakes will not take place. The first thing, use all capital letters, no penalty on that. In any Cambridge IELTS book, if you read the instructions, they have written all small, all capital or small, right? It's just all up to you. Now listen, the first thing is use all capital letters. Now when you write your answer on the answer sheet, you must give some little space, not full space. For example, if the answer is New York, now write N-E-W, and N, E and W, these 3 letters should stand alone. Don't try to mingle them up. Because you know, examiners, we call them markers. The people who check reading and listening test, we call them markers. Markers will never give you the benefit of doubt. If your C looks like E, they will not say that maybe he writes E like this or he writes C like this. They are going to cross it. Very cruel they are. Okay, so you have to be careful. They are ready to deduct your band score, like you know some teachers are. So the first thing is, if you write New York, N-E-W with a little space, Maharaja. Now not too much, okay, and then good space and write the word York, New York, first thing. Second, what do the students do? Sometimes we have options A, B, C. Instead of writing A, B, C, chaval ki maar ke aande ne, oh word likh lende ne. They write the word. For example, option A is black, option B is pink, option C is red. Instead of writing A, B, C, they write black, they write pink, they write red. The right answer is wrong. Okay, so this is very, very important. And again, when you are writing A, B, C option, you must use capital letter. Never use small letter for that as well. Okay, now in IELTS listening, there is a common problem. Yasin is our marker. I mean, when he tests the exams of, we have the mock tests, right? I'm the examiner, he's the marker. We have complete staff actually. So when he checks, he just told me, sir, there are so many spelling mistakes. There is no room for grammar mistakes at all because you write words. There are so many spelling mistakes. Come on, guys. You selected the answer. For example, you picked up the word from the audio and the right answer is January. And you write Janwary, January. I said January, February, F-E-R, February, W-O-R-Y, February, March, M-A-R-C-H, March. Okay, they learn like this. So, I mean, this is another trouble. If you are having the wrong spelling, you picked up the right word, but because of the spelling, the word is wrong, the answer is wrong. Shame on that situation, okay? Yeah, exactly, I feel pity. So, I have got a handout which I have already shared with my students. That handout contains the repeatedly used words in IELTS listening. Learn all the spelling of that handout. There are only 4 pages and then you will not have any problem with spelling, okay? Now, because of spelling, answers are wrong because of poor handwriting. That's another reason. Sometimes the handwriting is illegible or it cannot be read, right? So writing is not clear. Sometimes they don't write the, for example, now if the answer is hate, H-A-T-E, and they write the word hat, H-A-T, hat. You didn't write the word E, the letter E. Your answer will be considered wrong. So this is another one. Another common mistake. I was conducting the mock test and at the end of the mock test listening, and we gave 10 minutes to transfer the answers to the answer sheet. 8 minutes were gone. One lady raised her hand. I went to her. I said, yes, ma'am, how may I help you? She said, sir, where I was supposed to write the answer of question number 1, I wrote the answer of question number 2 and then pa 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 pa. You know what I mean?
Box.
Yeah, just she missed one box. Now question number 2 has the answer of question number 1. Box number 3 has the answer of question number 2. Box 4, full. They will cross all the answer sheet and give you 1 band like this, or other way, they are going to give you 1 band, okay? Yeah, simple.
Asad, what will be the solution?
There is no solution to that. The solution is use your brain. The solution is use your mind.
Our answer after one section.
Okay, now if you realize that you have done this great chaval means mistake. A chaval vaj gayi hai thwade kolo, jis tarah bhi vaji hai, kaiyan di mat mari hundi hai, something like that. Exactly. So then what you need to do, because you are filling in the answer sheet with pencil, you can remove those answers and write again. Remember, examiner will never give you another listening answer sheet or reading answer sheet. You cannot say, excuse me, madam, mari ji ho answer sheet de diyo. They will never give you the answer sheet again, right? So be careful. I mean, you can do one thing, another tip for that. You can just, when there's a question booklet, I told you in listening, you've got plenty of time. Question booklet, you can see question number 1, black, 2, orange, 3, Smith, 4, New York. Do it like this. And this is for those who are just trying to rush. 10 minutes is more than enough time to fill the answer sheet. So those who are rushing to it, they always do these type of mistakes. So this is what you should avoid, and believe you me, it can increase your 1 band. It can easily increase your 1 band because the careless mistakes are many and students are careless. They don't take IELTS seriously because this is not their own money, this is their parents' money. They don't take it seriously. So that's why these things happen. Thank you.
If you like this video, hit the like button.
And I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given here. You can contact me for that. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.